Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for History Year 2, Unit 1, The Great Fire, and this is video part 1 of 2. My name is Megan Latchford and I'm a design lead for Science, Geography and History at Art Curriculum Plus. This video will walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, the unit's inquiry question, and the unit's sequence of learning. The resources available for this unit on Oxford OWL are the History Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides, the Pupil Workbook and the eBook Workbook, additional resources that go alongside the lessons, Pupil Knowledge Guide, Knowledge Quiz booklets, posters, and the Discovery Box cards. To access the resources, you'll need to log in to Oxford OWL. Then click on the tab Subscriptions. Next, select the year group and the subject, in this case Year 1 and 2 History. Then scroll down to View the available resources and click. Select the year group from the drop-down option and select the unit from the drop-down option. Here you can download the resources for each lesson. Here is an overview of the concepts for the entire unit, and these disciplinary and substantive concepts can be found in the progression document and also the unit planning guidance for this unit. Although all units will support people with historical understanding, the main units we have highlighted as supporting this one are Year 1, Year 2 and Year 6. You can find more information about prior and future learning in the progression document and the unit planning guide. Every history unit finishes with an inquiry question, and all lessons lead towards this question. The inquiry question for Unit 1 is, how did the Great Fire affect the people of London? And the main disciplinary concept is cause and consequence, to identify the causes of the Great Fire of London and the impact the fire had on the people living there. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. People should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this new learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions before moving forward. To prepare to teach a unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to be aware of any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, and use a copy of the pupil workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a pupil workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Make sure you keep the lessons question and the inquiry question in mind as you work through. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.